Samsung has already released quite a bunch of phones this year. Well, that isn't going to stop the biggest phone manufacturers in the world from launching more phones. It was reported that the Galaxy A24 is one of the next phones that may launch soon. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. A few days ago, the Galaxy A24 renders, along with the entire specifications and pricing, were revealed by a tipster. The renders show the Galaxy A24 in all its glory and reveal what is packed inside the phone. The Galaxy A24 has now been spotted on the Malaysian Serum certification website, hinting at its imminent launch. The Galaxy A24's certification from the Malaysian Serum revealed the model number SMA245F/DSN. This model number confirms that the phone will support dual SIM functionality, as expected. However, the Malaysian Serum certification provides no additional details about the Galaxy A24 specifications or features. The model number itself only verifies that the device will accommodate 2 SIM cards. But that's the only information that can be extracted from the Malaysian Serum certification of the Galaxy A24. While the Galaxy A24 has not yet been announced, its specs have allegedly leaked. The phone is said to have a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and an Infinity U notch. For selfies, it will reportedly include a 13MP front camera. On the back, the Galaxy A24 is rumored to feature a 50MP main camera, 5MP ultra-wide camera, and 2MP depth sensor that can record Full HD video at 30 frames per second. The Galaxy A24 is expected to be a 4G device running Android 13 and One UI 5.0. Under the hood, it may have 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and a 5000 mAh battery with 15W charging. According to rumors, the Galaxy A24 could cost $190. Though the Galaxy A24's specs seem solid for a budget phone, the Infinity U notch is dated. The 50MP main camera and large battery may appeal to some, but without more advanced features like high refresh rate displays, multiple rear cameras or 5G connectivity, the rumored $190 price tag may be hard to justify for many customers. Given the popularity of more premium budget phones, Samsung would likely need to adjust these specs or lower the price to make the Galaxy A24 competitive. Of course, we will have to wait for an official announcement to know the phone's actual specs and pricing. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.